How to unbox and set up the HP LaserJet MFP M232 through M237, M232e through M237e printer series. Open the box and then remove the power cable. If you have an ADF model printer, you must also remove the paper input tray. Set the box on its side and then pull on the plastic bag to remove the printer from the box. Remove the product reference guide and refer to it to understand the use of the printer buttons, color of the front light bar, and for Wi-Fi troubleshooting steps. Remove the foam end caps and then remove the printer from the bag. Caution: do not pull out the orange center toner sheet yet. If you have a non-ADF model printer, remove the orange tape that secures the input tray cover to the front of the printer and set it aside. Remove the orange tape from the printer. If you have an ADF model, remove the paper tray from the bag and install it by pushing it inwards until it snaps into place. Next, lower the paper tray cover onto the paper tray. The Getting Started card is attached to the top of the printer. It has the QR code for downloading HP Smart to your mobile device and HP support information. Caution: do not remove the toner cartridge from the printer. The printer is shipped with the toner cartridge already prepared for printing. Connect the power cord to the rear of the printer and then plug the other end of the power cord into an electrical outlet. Turn on the printer. On a computer or mobile device, visit 123.hp.com to download the HP Smart software or HP Easy Start software for Windows 7 8 users. HP Smart is required to print with your printer. Open the software and follow the step-by-step instructions to connect the printer to a wireless network and create an HP account to complete the HP Plus registration. Finally, follow the guided animation to complete printer setup. On a non-ADF model, lower the paper input tray. On an ADF model, raise the paper tray cover. Remove the tape from the right front corner of the paper tray and then open the front flap. Slide the paper guides to the edges of the input tray. Load a stack of plain white paper with the print side facing up into the input tray and then slide the stack forward until it stops. Slide the paper guides until they rest against the stack of paper. On a non-ADF model printer, remove the input tray cover from the bag and install it by pushing it inwards until it snaps into place. On an ADF model printer, close the paper tray flap. Push inwards until it snaps into place. Lower the paper tray cover. Peel back the tape and pull out the orange center toner sheet gently from the printer. Remove the orange tape securing the output tray and extend the output tray. You are now ready to print.